Hi guys, I'm Kulindu from Legion Offensive Security, and today I'll be walking you through how to maintain persistence through Havoc C2. So to start off, I'd like to go on with a brief introduction on what is Havoc C2. Well, Havoc C2 is a modern and flexible post-exploitation tool designed for red teamers and advanced penetration testers. It allows attackers to maintain control over compromised systems within a target network. To so the first step of starting this would be to you know start the Havoc team server. So I'll navigate to the Havoc folder and I'll run the Havoc team server command. That will be Havoc server. Okay, so once the team service started, what you have to do is you have to run the Havoc client. So that would be just Havoc. So now, as you can see, we have got the Havoc client. Now, if you don't have a new profile, just click this button and you'll get a new automatical profile. You'll get this automatic spider account. Make sure to retype the password as password1234 and connect. Once you connect, okay, so this is two machines from one of my old test runs, but yeah, those are the two examples. But so to start out, what you have to initially do is initially wave the listeners. So as you can see, I have one listener. I'll just remove it so you can get an understanding on how to set up a listener. So you can see there's an add button here. What you have to do is click that add button. Once you add that, you'll get a prompt like this. So in this prompt, you have to make sure to drop a name for your listener. So I'll type the name Legion Video. So that would be just Legion Video. Just remind it. So for the host, just click add and you'll get your IP automatically. Once you get that, you have to fix nothing else. Just save it. So now your listener is running. So what you have to do next is go to attacks and create a payload. So what you have to do here is just the agent's gonna be daemon, the listener is gonna be what your current listener is, the one you set up, and after that you have nothing else to fix here. If you want, you can change the values here to 1, so you get a callback every second. So once this is done, you just click create generate and you have to wait for it to compile the payload. Yeah, so now as you can see, the payload is done compiling. So what I do is go to a folder. I'll just go back to the desktop, and here I'll create the payload as payload dot my bad payload.exe, and I'll save it there. So as you can see, we have the payload saved in the desktop. So once that is done, I'll go to my terminal and I'll open a new terminal, navigate to the desktop, and as you can see, you have the payload.exe. What I'll do here is I'll run a Python server, so python 3-m, and I'll run the Python server. So once that is done, I have my victim machine here. So since this is in the same network, I can access the website in my attacking machine. So what I'll do here is I'll go to my Microsoft. I think it'll automatically connect because no, okay. So I'll get my IP. Okay. So I'll visit the web page of my. I'll visit this website Python server web page to download the payload. So that will be 192.168.56.102. So as you can see here, we have payload.exe. So what I'll do is I'll download the payload.exe. I'll save it, and as you can see, I have the payload.exe downloaded. You can see it here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna run the payload so I get a call back from the victim machine. So payload.exe, will I get a okay? Run. What will I get? Yes, and yes. As you can see, you get a call back from your victim machine. So let me change the view to, hold on, view graph. Okay, so you can see that my machine is currently available. So to interact with this, I'll just, as you can see, so that is how you exploit the machine. So how can I maintain persistence? So for this, I'm gonna need the tool SharpPersist. So let me go to my tools folder. So as you can see, we have SharpPersist. Yes, SharpPersist.exe. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna run SharpPersist in my Kali machine, but I'm gonna send the assembly code to the victim machine. I'm gonna execute the program in the victim machine while I have the SharpPersist in my Kali machine. I'm just gonna execute it from my Kali machine to work on the victim machine. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go with .NET inline execute. So I'm gonna put the location of SharpPersist. That will be home to the tools and SharpPersist .exe. Then I'm gonna what do you call it? Set the type of the persistence to the register. That will be dash t register, and then the command to execute. So it's gonna be, hold on. Windows system32 and cmd.exe, and then I'm gonna set the argument for the command. That's gonna be j, and the argument's gonna be, by the way, if you're wondering why I'm putting a slash in front of every double semicolon, oh no, wait, what? Double asterisk, just call it that. Whatever this is called, I can't remember. It's because if you don't do it, it won't be counted in Havoc, and the program won't execute properly. So then I'm gonna do dash C, and the location of the payload, that will be C users Kulindu downloads, and that was it is payload.exe, payload.exe, uh, and then I'm gonna set the register key to use. That's gonna be dash key HKCUR, and the value for the name of the register entry. So I'll set the value for Legion radio. So that's just the basic name, and then dash M for the mode of operation. That's gonna be add, and then I'm gonna run this command. So let's open the best. And yes, okay. So we have got persistence to our machine now. So imagine if I just restart this machine. Let me restart this machine so you can see. I'll set this back to table view so you can get a better view of what's gonna happen. So I'll restart this, and you can see what's gonna happen now. And yes, okay. My bad. We have two callbacks from an earlier run with the machine, but you can see here. So we get two callbacks, and now we can see we have persistence over the machine now. Even though we restart the machine, we have successfully edited the registries, so the payload is executed whenever the user is logging in. So yeah, so that is all I have for you today. And yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, please drop it down in the comments, and if you have any recommendations, please do let us know. And if you want installation video on Havoc, drop it down in the comments, and I'll do it, because it took me a while to set this Havoc up as well. So yeah, well then, signing out. I'll be signing out, and yeah, that's it from me. Until next time.